Hey guys, this is Surya from Skill-Lync. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe and indoors. Welcome back to another video in this student success series. This series is about how each Skill-Lync student puts in the required amount of effort in order to succeed in his or her career. So that is the essence of this particular series. Previously, we looked at CFD Master's course, CAE Master's course, and today we are going to look at the Masters in Hybrid Electric Vehicle program and the post-graduation certification in Hybrid Electric Vehicle Design and Analysis. Let's go to the program. So if you are a Skill-Lync student, you might have seen our postgraduate certification in Hybrid Electric Vehicle Design and Analysis. This particular program is split into 2 semesters. In these 2 semesters, you will look into IC engine powertrain, electric powertrain, vehicle dynamics, strength calculations, automotive design, and automotive flow analysis. So the 2 semesters are split as such. In the first semester, you will look at MATLAB for mechanical engineers, Sim-Lync for mechanical engineers. Here, you will understand the basics of MATLAB and Sim-Lync. Next, you will have introduction to hybrid electric vehicle using MATLAB and Sim-Lync, introduction to controls, introduction to battery technologies, and introduction to ADAS using MATLAB and Sim-Lync. This particular first semester, you will have really good understanding of the EV architecture. Then in the second semester, you will look at 2 fundamental courses that are compulsory. One is preprocessor for meshing using ANSA, and the second one is Python for mechanical engineers. After completing these 2 compulsory courses, based on your performance in the previous courses, you can pick up any of these 4 tracks. You can basically take up a CFD track if you're someone interested in fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer. If you're someone interested in strength of materials and FEA, the FEA track is something you can take up. Design, if you're someone who is interested in design of sheet metal, plastic, and surface design, then design track. And if you're someone who is interested in vehicle dynamics, you take up multi-board dynamics. So how does the course work? So once you enroll in the course, you will have your own dashboard. In your dashboard, you will have a set of courses that you get access to. So for example, if I click on videos, immediately I can open up my videos interface. This videos interface is where you will get your videos. So for example, you won't get all the videos at one shot. Every week, you will get a set of videos where you take a look at the videos and work on a particular set of assignments. If you have any questions or queries, we provide 3 modes of support. You immediately call your support engineer over a phone, or you have a Zoom video conferencing session and you share your screen and get your doubts clarified, or you raise a ticket and get your doubts clarified through email or WhatsApp. So these are 3 modes of support, and our support time is around 15 to 20 minutes. So once you take a look at the video, immediately you will have a challenge. Every week you will have a challenge, and this is really important, guys. It's not about just looking at the videos and going out. It's about taking a look at the video, and every week you basically work on a particular assignment or a project. So for example, if you see this, this is a frontal crash analysis assignment, and these are the things that you need to do in this particular assignment. And if you think about it, this is how your requirement in an industry will also be. This is how your tool test will also be, and this is what we require as output. We will provide you the models and the software. You basically write a detailed report and submit. So what happens once you submit? So once you submit, you have a ranking and a leaderboard. If you submit immediately, then I can see a list of who are doing well, right? So you are competing across the world. So for example, Nguyen is from Indonesia, Shankar is from Chennai, Paul Baby is from somewhere else. You are competing against people across the world, and you can see how well you're doing. So whenever you do these projects, it is graded and immediate feedback is provided. This immediate feedback improves your ability to do well. So, okay, so how did students till now do, right? So since there are a lot of students who have succeeded, I'm just going to take a set of 5 students and explain their journeys. This is the coursework that I was explaining to you about. And Puneet finishes MTech in mechanical engineering in 2018. When we started our masters in hybrid electric vehicle, Puneet joined our first batch. Puneet was a really good student, and what he did was he put in all his efforts to develop a strong portfolio. He finished all the projects as we asked him to do, and he created a very strong portfolio. And now Puneet is working as a CFD analyst at Fiat Chrysler Automotive. You can take a look at Puneet's portfolio in our projects.skilllync.com. So as I said in the previous part of this video, whenever you do an assignment and project, it automatically creates a portfolio for you. So you don't need to do any extra effort. All you need to do is finish this challenge and publish it. It automatically gets created as a project for you. right? So this is one of the beauties of Skill-Lync, right? You automatically create a portfolio for yourself without spending much time on any other resources. All you need to do is spend time learning and finishing the assignments. Harshal again was in our first batch. Harshal finished our HEV course. Before finishing our HEV course, he finished his master's in University of Plymouth in UK, then came back to India and was looking for a job. And when he enrolled in our coursework, he did really well, and he now works as a CFD analyst again at Fiat Chrysler Automotive. Shashidhar is like most of you guys. So he is a pass out in 2018. He had a GPA of 7.8. He was a fresher. He took up our course. He was in our second batch, and right now he's working as a GET at EEC, ESI. So Adarsh again was a fresher. He had a GPA of 6.8, and he passed out in 2018 as a mechanical engineer. He took up our master's in hybrid electric vehicle course, and he now works at ESI as well. So do people only get jobs in India? So if you are in the US or if you are in Europe and taking up a course, your opportunity out there is also higher. So for example, Ashish Menden took up a master's in hybrid electric vehicle course, and he got an engineering assistant internship at FAV North America. So there are a lot of opportunities that we have created. These are a few of those opportunities that I wanted to highlight today. So how did they succeed, right? If you see, everyone has a pattern. So everyone took up a master's in a hybrid electric vehicle course. By minimum, they worked on 15 plus projects. Just working on this 15 plus projects developed a strong portfolio for them. They made sure they attended our tool test. They attended our mock interviews, and they were very keen to get feedback and implement that feedback and give a tool test or a mock test again. So that's what differentiates them. And now they've got successfully recruited in core mechanical engineering companies, and we are very proud of them. So these are very few examples that I wanted to showcase to you. So yeah, if you have any questions regarding the program, regarding how your journey will be if you enroll as a student in Skill-Lync, please put it in the comments. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.